also selling plants over here. But I can't buy one because I got a lot of plants in the house now. And we are going to the giant gorilla King Kong. He's now a Santa King Kong. Merry Christmas, everyone. Hello, King Kong. We will just transfer here because our cottage is far and this is a big resort. Hi, Zoe. Why are you scared of the dinosaur? Is there moving? Do you want to see the walking dinosaurs later? Yes? Are you sure? You're gonna get scared again. But Daddy wants to see your reaction, so we're gonna let them out later. Okay? Got a giant octopus here at the... Look at that! Where are we going? We are going to see the bubbles! Yay! There's a shark here at the... Yeah, you wanna see the shark? Okay, let's go up. Up, 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 up. And here in Campusetohan, since this is a Highland resort, it's always raining here every day. Just 5 minutes rain. By the way, this is I'm running out of breath. The wave pool. We'll try that later, but it's too hot right now to swim. So we'll just wait for the wave. And this is the bubble. Bubbles, ate! Wow! Go play the bubbles. Just be careful. It might slippery. Go, ate, go! Go, get the bubbles! Get the bubbles! Wow! Bubbles! Look at Ide, oh! You do it too! Wow! Wow! Do you like it? Do you like the bubbles? Yay! Zoe likes it! Is the bubble going? No! Giant bubble! Don't go! Oh, the bubbles are flying now, Zoe! Bye, Bubbles! Say bye-bye, Bubbles!
Bye-bye, Bubbles!
Bye-bye, Bubbles! You catch it? You want to catch it? Be careful, Zoe. Okay, let's go back now. It's too hot. We'll just go back here again. Okay? Zoe, you want to go in there? You want to go in the bubbles? Go there. Don't be scared. There you go. Wow, you're like in the cloud. Oh, are you okay? Go play with the bubbles like that. Whee! Again, ate. The bubbles are flying again. Look. The bubbles are flying! Oh no! Okay, let's go now, ate.
Let's go now.
Let's go back. Let's drink first. Stay hydrated. Drink more Coke. Stay hydrated. We'll just go back here when they turn on the wave pool. Say bye-bye to the bubbles, ate. Oh, there you go. The wave pool is starting. Zoe, are you scared of the wave pool? Why are you hiding here? You don't want to go there? Oh, your cousins are enjoying there. Look at the dark clouds behind the wave pool. So this is the wave pool. It's good to go here during weekdays because there's not much people and you will really enjoy. When it's cool and summertime, it's full of people here. It's like a sea of people. The kids are over there enjoying the waves, but my child, Zoe, I thought you were brave. Are you scared? And Chloe is scared too. Poor baby love, you're scared too? Oh no! She's wearing her Moana swimwear. Ate, it's okay. I'm also scared like you. We are both scared. I brought her a new floater because her floater got a hole and she is sinking. And the baby, the water is cold. Auntie, the water is so cold. Chloe, Chloe, you like the water? It's so cold. It's cold. She's splashing. She likes water though. The cold never bothered me anyway. Zoe, say hi.
Hi.
How's your floater? You like your new floater?
Yeah.
Yeah? It's good?
Yeah.
You can swim better? Yeah. Say hi to Daddy.
Hi, Daddy.
I wish you were here. Very good, Zoe. She's a very good swimmer now. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Da da dee da dee da 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 na 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 no. Why da 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 do? Why da da dee da 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 do? Why da da dee da dee da da da? Yay! And now it's getting cold because the fog is coming. As you can see, behind King Kong is a very dark clouds. You can't see the mountain behind, so it's getting cold. Whew. I can see the clouds moving over there. I wish Ned is here too. The enjoyment is not the same without him, but he needs to guard the house. Maybe next time we'll go here together with the kids. Okay, that's it. Ooh, it's cold now. Bye bye, King Kong. So it's so dark now, you can't barely see King Kong over there. And my sister-in-law is doing selfie. And Chloe's there. Chloe likes it because it's cold, but it's wet though. Hello! Say hi to Daddy. Daddy, it's so foggy here. Wow. So cold but wet because the humidity is still high. But I like it. Yep. It rained. We're about to go home after that big fog, and it started to rain, pouring rain. This is the Campusetohan resort. The entrance fee is 250 pesos, and they also have like a service bus or vehicle, which is 90 pesos per person. And yeah, it's so nice here. It's my sister-in-law and sister. And the shark is over there. That's it for today. This is Chichay. Chinese. Inday. Inday. So